In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default columns for forecasting deal table in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent view of your forecast that your whole team can rely on. Start by opening your browser and heading to HubSpot. Once you're on the official site, sign into your account. You'll need access to sales settings to follow along, so make sure you're logged into a profile with the right permissions. Inside your HubSpot portal, look to the top navigation bar and click the gear icon to open settings. This takes you to the main settings area for your account. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Objects section. This is where HubSpot keeps configuration options for data like contacts, companies, deals, and more. Next, use the Object Selector or the sidebar to go to Forecasts. Forecasts is part of your sales configuration and controls the layout of the forecasting tables your team uses. Once you're on the Forecast Settings page, look for the option that says Customize the Forecast Category Table. Click that to open the table configuration. You'll now see the Column Customization interface. This is where you decide which deal properties show up in the forecasting table by default. Use the Add or Remove controls to include the fields that matter most to your team. For example, you might keep essentials like deal name, amount, close date, deal owner, stage, and forecast category, and remove anything that clutters the view. If you work across multiple currencies, make sure the amount-related columns you choose match how your team reports. If you rely on probability-driven forecasting, consider including probability or weighted amount so managers can scan risk at a glance. As you fine-tune the list, rearrange the order to match how you read data. Simply click and drag a column to move it up or down until the most important information is grouped together. A helpful approach is to place identification fields like deal name and owner on the left, core numbers like amount and weighted amount in the center, and timing details such as close date toward the right. When everything looks right, click Save. Your selections become the default columns for the forecasting deal table, giving everyone a consistent, easy-to-scan layout. Keep in mind that personal views or permissions can affect what individual users see, but your saved configuration sets the standard for the account. That's it. You've streamlined the forecasting experience by choosing the right columns, ordering them logically, and saving those defaults so your team can focus on the numbers that matter.